This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to invest on Questrade, guiding you through the essential steps to get started. Questrade provides a robust platform for both self-directed investors and those preferring managed portfolios. You'll discover a wide array of investment products, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, and bonds. To open an account and start trading, a minimum initial deposit of $1,000 is typically required. Let's dive into setting up your investment journey. Choosing the right account is your next step. Questrade offers various options, including tax-advantaged accounts like tax-free savings accounts and registered retirement savings plans, alongside non-registered margin accounts. Funding your account is straightforward with methods like online banking bill payments, Visa debit, or setting up pre-authorized deposits. For quick transfers, instant deposits using a Canadian Visa debit card allow you to fund your account immediately, with a daily limit of up to $10,000 for Canadian currency. Once your account is funded, it's time to research and place your first trades. Questrade's trading platforms provide comprehensive tools to help you analyze various securities. A significant advantage is that buying and selling Canadian and U.S. stocks and exchange-traded funds are commission-free. When placing an order, you can choose a market order for immediate execution at the best available price, or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price or better, giving you more control. Effective portfolio management is crucial for long-term success. Regularly monitor your investments and ensure your asset allocation aligns with your goals. Questrade integrates with tools like Passive, which can help automate rebalancing and track your portfolio's alignment. While stock and ETF trades are commission-free, be mindful of other fees. Options trades incur a base fee plus 99 cents per contract. Mutual funds cost $9.95 per trade, and currency exchange has a 1.5% fee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.